Hello and welcome to today's video. If you're tired of constant notifications from the Firefox browser on your Android phone, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through step-by-step how to disable these notifications quickly and easily. Let's get started and take back control of your device. Open the Firefox browser app on your Android device. Next, tap on the three vertical dots located in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Then, scroll down through the Settings menu until you find the option labeled Notifications. Tap on Notifications to open the Notification Settings page. Finally, toggle off the switches next to the types of notifications you no longer wish to receive, or turn off all notifications entirely. And that's it. You've successfully disabled notifications in Firefox on your Android phone. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to subscribe for more simple tech tips. Stay focused and distraction-free by managing your app settings the smart way.